Hello, welcome again to Pre-Calc 12, and this is section 0.3, our last part on note-taking. So let's get into this. So what are today's purposes? So again, just to learn how to take notes in this class. Hopefully by the end of today's lesson, you'll be able to do it all by yourself. And when we do this in class, just so we can practice that. And you're also going to make these set of notes individually. So we've done I show you, we've done as a class. Now you're going to work on it by yourself. And maybe you've already been doing this a little bit individually. That's good. Now I'm gonna push you into doing that. So again, I know you've seen this twice already, but I'm going to show you how to set up your paper just as a quick reminder. So you got section, first section, purposes, key ideas, questions, how to solve that. If you've answered it, test reflection. First 5 you do by yourself when you watch the video. Answered is during class. Test reflection is after you do the test. So remember, before you watch the video, so here's a few tips as to what to do before you watch the video, just so that you're actually ready to take these notes. Get your paper ready, obviously. Set this out. Have your columns laid out already. If it helps, you can do it landscape. You don't have to do it vertical. You can do it horizontal. If you need a little bit more space, that's totally fine. Gather what you need. Pencil, eraser. If you need some other stuff beside you, if you'd rather use pen and corrector, if you want a ruler to write it nice and perfectly, whatever you need, make sure you have it with you so you don't have to pause the video, go get what you need, come back. Pause the video, go, come back. Make sure you got everything you need. Clear the area of distractions. Make sure that you don't have things that are beside you that are going to distract you. If you're doing it on a computer, put your phone away or turn it on silent. Get it out of the way so that you don't have to pause the video. Oh, what is this notification going on? Come back. Make sure you just clear out whatever distractions. Find an area in your house that has no distractions. So maybe that's a desk that doesn't have a window in front of it so that you're just focused on what's going on, or close the curtain so that you can't see outside. Try and make sure that you have no distractions while you're doing this. Also, make sure you have enough time to fully watch the video and have a little bit of reflection time to write the notes afterwards. So take a look, see how long that video is. If it's 5 minutes, maybe plan out 7 or 8. If it's going to be a 15-minute video, block out 20 to 25 minutes because you'll probably be watching it, you'll pause, have to write some things down, and continue to go. So make sure you've got a proper amount of time set aside in order to watch this. I know you guys have busy lives. You guys know that I have a busy life, but try and set up a time where you could do this. Even if it means, every once in a while you have an evening that's fully booked with sporting events or whatever. If you need to watch the video on the bus ride to school, that's totally fine. But know that if you do that, you won't be able to write down the notes right away. So try to have a good chunk of time where you're sitting at a desk or sitting at a table and just spend a little bit of time watching this video. Think of it like the time you would normally do as homework at home. Take this as your homework. Watching the videos and writing the notes. That's your homework. The questions that I'm going to assign are going to be classwork. So if it helps you with that terminology, homework is watching the video, class time is doing the practice problems. So just get used to switching that in your head. So like I said, make sure you have enough time to fully go through this video. Okay, so what are we going to do in class? As I said, well, first you need to come prepared. So you're going to come to class with your stuff prepared. I cannot show you a video in this video just due to YouTube copyrights, and I've got a lot of videos. I'm remaking this whole course, so I don't have the time to go and do make another video to put in this. So we're gonna just do this all in class. So I've got a couple of videos we'll do together. I might switch and do one big one. We'll see. But we're gonna do this together. You're gonna write the notes individually as we do the class, and then we're gonna compare it. So yeah, come to class prepared, have your paper and everything ready, and let's get into notes.